How to use Grubhub gift card balance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use Grubhub's gift card balance, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to use Grubhub's gift card balance and if you want to redeem the gift card, it's very simple. Just go to grubhub.com and then make sure that you are signed into your account. Once you are signed in, just click the profile icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you click on the profile icon here, you're going to be able to see all the sorts of interface where you just have to go to this option known as gift cards, as you can find it here. Once I click on the gift cards option, over here what you want to do is you just want to make sure to first of all sign in with your Grubhub account over here. So make sure to go ahead and then sign in as well. Once you've done this, basically it is going to take you to the next page where you can simply choose to buy gift cards and so on. So let's just wait until this page has been loaded up. Then once you go to the next page, you'll find this option to actually redeem your gift card, where you can simply enter your gift card code and then your gift card will be successfully used on Grubhub. This way you can use a gift card balance on Grubhub. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.